Okie doke. Next up, we got Bernie trying one of these '08 LCMs, lead certified. What's up, Bernie? I emailed you the 2 numbers I had left. I didn't hear back, so I'm just going to do old 71. And here we go, man. 2008 certified. Empty. Right out of the gate, Malcolm Kelly triple piece autograph. Shoe, jersey, ball, autograph, blue version. Nice looking. Oh, here's Brett Favre red. That's numbered to 100. I haven't heard anything from Malcolm Kelly. I don't know what's going on with his career. Chargers, numbered to 99, Phillip Rivers jersey. And base. That was just all base. New generation Lavelle Hawkins, 1500. It was short printed. That's a short print. There's Darren McFadden, triple jersey. Oh, the end's got a crink in it. I don't want to push it back, but the end has a crease or a push down, whatever you call that. 19 of 99. Triple jersey. If you get a hold of Panini, though, they'll fix that for you, buddy. I think. Or send you a new card. Since it came right out of the pack that way. Brandon Marshall, numbered to 500. Certified skills. Just base in this one. And the number to 70, TJ Hushmanzada. Fabric of the game. Last one, certified skills, AP, number to 1,000. And that will, oh, look at that there. That'll do, everybody. I appreciate it, Bernie. Like I say, man, just if you want to email Panini or something, show them the video. They might tell you to send that back and they can fix it or get you a replacement or something. Sorry about that, bud. But anyway, I'll get these right out, man. See ya.